This is a figure analysis question. A piece of paper is folded 3 times. Symbols are printed on the folded strip. Your job is to find what the paper looks like when it opens up again. When paper unfolds, each new section is a mirror of the section next to it. So the real question is, what does a mirror do to each symbol? Think about holding a mirror next to a circle. The circle looks exactly the same. Now hold a mirror next to a triangle standing upright. Also the same. But hold a mirror next to a shape that points to the right. In the mirror, it points to the left. It flips. That is the whole question. Some shapes never change. Some shapes flip every single time. Look at the narrow strip. From top to bottom, a circle, a triangle, a curved shape, a gap, another curved shape, and a circle. Circles and triangles are the same in a mirror. So in the finished square, those rows will look completely even. Every circle identical. Every triangle identical. They tell us nothing. The curved shapes are different. They point one way. In a mirror, they point the other way. And here is the shortcut. Because every column is a mirror of the column beside it, the curved shapes must change direction every single column. Left, right, left, right, left, right. You do not need to count the folds. You only need to check 2 rows. So before we look at the answers, you already know what to search for. 2 curved rows, alternating direction all the way across. Now let's clear the board. Fast. Option A. Bottom curved row. Every shape points the same way. Nothing alternates. Gone. Option C. Same test. Almost every curved shape faces the same direction. Gone. Option B. Look at the rows themselves. Triangles and curved shapes are mixed together in one row. Folding paper can never do that. Gone. Option E. This one is careful. The top curved row alternates correctly. So far, so good. Now the bottom row. It breaks. 2 shapes in a row face the same way. Gone. That leaves option D.